This is KBL. No? Ano nga yung big sabihin KBL? Kadyos B?
Kadyos baboy ang lang.
Baboy ang langka. No? The best.
Iconic Ilonggo.
This is yung we're eating here at Ontoy restaurant near Mega World. And they have yung native chicken. Buong native chicken.
Mas kung kasama tayo, kasama sa atin sa circus. Oo nga. Ito ko rin kasama.
Nag-uwi ka ba ba? Ang Bacolod?
Hindi ko alam. Anong nangyari?
Mas ako kasama tayo.
And we have
Tapos sila Kiara, nanood sila ng Kiara movie, after.
Suddenly we were in Iloilo and Papa wasn't there anymore.
why kaya?
Nagpa-Manila ata siya.
Ganun? Masarap yung food here. This one. Sa 3 na dish. Hana, ano yung best mo?
I've only tried one pa lang.
Huh? Ikaw kuya? 3. Kuya wanted yun. Tatlo yun, no? Expectedly. What about Kiars? Kiars? Best mo? Dalawa na. 2 bowls na. How about Hana? Native chicken ba talaga to? So masarap. Ito naman yung kadyos, yung black. Para siyang version ng kansi. But masarap pagkaluto. So you're here in Iloilo. This is a place, recommended place to eat. Ontoy's restaurant near Mega World.
Okay mo? Water?
Or last time we ate here, kaya nagustuhan ko eh.
Native chicken?
I like garlic.